Welcome to Introduction to Front-End Frameworks and React. After watching this video, you will be able to compare libraries and frameworks, define front-end frameworks, describe React's prominent features. Nowadays, developers are widely adopting React to build modern web applications. But before exploring the concept of React, you should first understand the fundamentals of libraries and frameworks. You will use libraries and frameworks frequently in software development, each serving unique roles and purposes. Let's discuss each of them. A library is a repository of pre-written code segments that provides reusable functions and routines for utilization by other programs or applications. These libraries often target specific tasks or functionalities, allowing developers to integrate them into their codebase as required. Examples of JavaScript libraries include jQuery, Lodash, D3.js, and React. A framework is a comprehensive software development platform that provides a foundation and structure for building entire applications. Unlike libraries that offer specific functionalities, frameworks impose a particular architecture and provide tools, libraries, and guidelines to streamline the development process. Frameworks address broader concerns, including handling user requests, managing data flow, and structuring the application's overall architecture. Some popular examples of JavaScript frameworks include AngularJS, EmberJS, Svelte, and Vue.js. When it comes to web development specifically, a specialized type of framework emerges, the front-end framework. These frameworks focus on building the user-facing side of web applications. Front-end frameworks leverage technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create dynamic and interactive user interfaces, UIs, that communicate with the server behind the scenes. A few popular front-end frameworks are React, Angular, and Vue.js. React is an open-source JavaScript library developed by Meta, a company that runs Facebook and Instagram. It facilitates the creation of dynamic and interactive user interfaces for web applications. The prominent features of React include component-based architecture, declarative syntax, virtual DOM, one-way data binding, JavaScript XML, JSX, and hook employment. React's flexible component-based architecture enables the creation of reusable UI elements. In React, developers build UIs by composing independent components representing a specific web page feature. For example, developers can divide a website with headers, left and right sidebars, or footers. This modular approach allows developers to encapsulate UI functionality in individual files, making it easy to reuse components across multiple pages without duplicating the code. React uses a declarative syntax that updates how the UI should behave when data or states change. This declarative paradigm lets developers focus only on specifying the intended UI behavior, while React efficiently manages the underlying DOM. In essence, developers instruct React on what to do rather than how to do it. React also utilizes a virtual DOM instead of direct manipulation. React generates virtual DOM copies when changes occur in any component and then compares them with the real DOM, updating only the essential segments. This strategy optimizes performance and improves speed by minimizing unnecessary DOM modifications. Next, React implements one-way data binding, ensuring data flows unidirectionally from parent to child components. This approach simplifies data management, reducing the risk of bugs caused by an inconsistent state. React also utilizes JSX, JavaScript XML, a JavaScript syntax extension enabling HTML-like code within JavaScript. JSX makes creating and visualizing UI components easier, seamlessly integrating HTML and JavaScript. React employs hooks, a feature introduced in React 16.8. Hooks allow developers to handle states and other React features seamlessly, eliminating the need for class-based coding. Hooks simplify component logic, promote code reuse, and make it easier to manage stateful behavior. In this video, you learn that libraries offer reusable code components, while frameworks provide a comprehensive structure for building applications. Front-end frameworks focus on building the user-facing side of web applications. React is an open-source JavaScript library developed by Facebook that facilitates the creation of dynamic and interactive user interfaces for web applications. React features include component-based architecture, declarative syntax, virtual DOM optimization, one-way data binding, JSX integration, and React hooks employment.